Hey friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be doing a food review of Ms. Tabitha Brown's vegan pasta. This is the mushroom and polenta ravioli. Let's go ahead and give this a try. I would like to start off by saying this was not easy to come by. People are buying these products up, okay, because I had to search about 3 Targets to find this specific pasta. And this was the only one they had. She does have other brands, but this is the only one I was able to find. So jumping right into it, we are going to cook the ravioli up. I just put it in some pre-salted water, and we only going to cook it for about 5 minutes. Now that it's done, I'm going to go ahead and take it off the stove and drain it so I can start making my sauce. All right, now I put a little bit of olive oil in my pan because it felt right. I don't know if you need to do that or not, but I also had this tomato basil pesto that was in my fridge that I needed to go ahead and use up. So I decided let's literally make this taste like the raviolis that come out the can. A lot of recipes I saw when they used the mushroom and polenta ravioli, they were making like a white sauce. For some reason, I just feel like this would taste better with a tomato-based sauce. That's why I went ahead and used this pesto. And I'm just going to add a little bit of water, let it reduce down, and add my seasonings. I like to use accent pepper and seasoned salt and everything. I use a little bit of garlic powder. And of course, we had to throw in some Miss Tab sunshine seasoning as well. Okay, so we're going to season it up and just let it reduce down a little bit. And if you wanted to keep this completely vegan, do not use any cheese. I did throw some Parmesan cheese in there because I like Parmesan cheese, and as Miss Tapp would say, that's my business. But again, if you want it to be fully vegan, you don't have to use the parm. And once the sauce is thick enough and reduced down to my liking, I'm going to add my ravioli right back into that sauce. I'm going to coat it thoroughly and just let it cook a little bit more, get a little warm through all the way, and we'll be done. Instead of recording a voiceover for the review portion, I went ahead and left the full clip of when I tried it for the first time at the end. So go ahead and watch that coming up soon. Catch you on the next clip. All right, bye. It tastes like raviolis. It tastes like grown people version. I'm the stuff you used to get in the can. I like it. Now, I feel like my sauce definitely adds to the flavor, but it's not bad. I'll buy it again. Bye. Just coming back to say, my husband even like it, and he don't like much, so that's saying a lot. I'm gonna make him a bowl too.